Hey guys, Steph here from Barbell Sanctuary. In today's video, I wanted to show off my new toy that I bought. This was my thank you present to myself for reaching 1,000 subscribers. It is a Napoleon Grill Propane Legend Series, and it comes with a 15-year warranty. As you can see, my other barbecue stood the test of time. I actually had it for 9 years, replaced multiple components on it. The reason I got this one, and I'm not sponsored by Napoleon, every component on it, as long as you do proper maintenance, is guaranteed for 15 years. So if anything breaks down, contact Napoleon and they send you a new part. This is a new series that I'm going to be starting. I think that a barbecue or a smoker is a great tool for weight loss because it's a great way to add flavor and taste to your protein without adding calories. So today what we're going to be cooking is dill pickle chicken. The first step you want to do to get your chicken breast ready, slice it in half. And the reason that I do that is that it'll absorb the marinade a lot better, and also it'll cook a lot faster on the grill. Now once you got your chicken all cut up, then you're going to want to start your marinade. And what you do, you take your jar of pickles, and you should be eating lots of pickles anyways because they're barely any calories. They're delicious, but very good for you. Take your pickle juice, put it in a bowl. I dumped the whole jar in because, you know what, realistically I'm going to eat all those pickles this week anyways. And then you put in basically whatever spices you want. Here I put in some cayenne pepper, roasted bell pepper. So right here I'm adding packets of stevia. I'm putting 4 packs in. To me it just adds the sweetness, which goes well with the dill. You can use any type of sweetener that you prefer. I like stevia because there's no extra calories and I find it tastes good. So all those spices add no calories whatsoever. They just add taste. You just mix it all up, and then you take your chicken and you layer it in, making sure that the whole thing is covered, and I kind of move it around, making sure that all the chicken gets covered with the brine. And then you put it in the fridge for 2 to 6 hours, depending on how much flavor you want. All right, time to put the chicken on. So what you want to do, you want to sear it on high, so the highest temperature possible that your barbecue can go at. And you see how nice and thin these are. You can already smell that this is going to taste extremely good. Okay, we'll leave that for a minute. While that is searing, I'm going to throw in this grill basket. These are great for doing your veggies. I just throw frozen vegetable on there. I turn the heat to like medium, and it's a great way to get your vegetables ready while you're grilling. And today I'm just doing a mix of Brussels sprouts and some broccoli that I had left over. Alright, how's that looking? Another minute for the chicken, and then I'll flip it around and sear the other side. Okay, so another thing I want to point out, like today I'm only cooking 1 pack of chicken, but in the summer this tool is amazing for meal prep because you actually can cook a lot of meat very fast on the barbecue, and then you can make freezer meals, or you could just put it in the fridge and have your lunches for 2 or 3 days. And when you're trying to lose weight, having meals prepared is key. Alright, perfect. Now I got the perfect grill marks. Look at that. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Just going to flip them so I'm still on high heat. And because I've cut my chicken so thin, by the time I'm done putting grill marks evenly on both sides, it'll be ready. Man, I love this grill. Okay, so while this is finishing off, guys, this is a series that I plan on doing for the summer. Eating healthy, lots of proteins, lots of lean meats. I'm going to be grilling some steak, chicken, salmon, fish. If you plan on trying this dill pickle chicken, let me know in the comments that you are going to try it. And if you try it, then come back and let me know what you think. This should be almost ready now. Oh yeah, we got perfect grill marks on both sides. All right. Oh, juicy. Look at that. Oh my. That is amazing. It's juicy. So much flavor. You can taste a little bit of the dill. I'm doing this every time. My God, this is good. The kids, let's go see if my kids like it. All right, so these are my two boys. Emmett, the chicken figure master. So this will be the true test. If he likes it, then it's good. And Jacob, who's got fancy taste. So let's see. Jacob. Emmett.
Tastes like chicken.
Is it good?
It's got a bit of a pickle juice taste to it.
Do you like it?
I want it.
You want it? So you like it? Okay,
like
well, I'll make you a plate.
It's good.
Is it good? Yeah? 2 thumbs up? And a foot? 1.5? Okay, well, alright. Okay guys, I was going to make a nice little plate arrangement. I'm not that fancy and I'm really hungry right now. So I'm just gonna show you like this. I'm gonna go eat this now. This is amazing. I can't believe I never knew this before. Pickle juice, amazing. If you like garage gyms, home gyms, DIY projects, if you want to see more barbecue recipes, let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.